In this video, let us see what is a typecasting. Typecasting means converting one data type into another explicitly by the programmer. For example, we have declared x as a float value and y as an integer value. X is stored with the value 3.14. So when I write y equal to within the bracket, I write int, then x. This means that the value of x is explicitly converted to integer. That means y will store only the integer part, that is 3 will be stored in the variable y. So when we write the data type within the bracket before a variable, it means it is a casting operator. So this int within the bracket act as a casting operator. That means we are explicitly converting the data type of x into integer. So the data type of x is float, but using this casting operator, we are explicitly converting that value into integer. So this is known as typecasting. So type conversion is converting one data type into another automatically by the compiler. So when the compiler automatically converts one data type into another, it is known as type conversion. For example, here x is declared as int and y is declared as float. Then x is stored with value 10. When we write y equal to x, so now uh, this the value of x, that is the integer value 10, will be converted into float. So we'll get 10.00 something like that will be stored in the value y. So that is explicit, that is type conversion. Here the conversion takes place automatically because y is a larger data type than x. So here float is a larger data type than int. So this int is automatically converted to float. So this is known as type conversion. So let us see the difference between typecasting and type conversion. So type conversion is a process in which one data type is converted to another data type using a casting operator by the programmer. So here the intervention, the programmer explicitly converts one data type into another using the casting operator. So casting operator means we write the data type within the bracket. The type conversion is the process of converting one data type into another data type by the compiler at the time of compilation. So type conversion, so here type conversion is an automatic process. So the smaller data type will be automatically converted to larger data type. So type conversion is possible with both compatible data type as well as non-compatible data types, because here we are explicitly converting using the casting operator. But this type conversion is possible only with compatible data types. Only the compatible data type and also the smaller data type will be converted to higher data type. So for example, here it is typecasting. Float b is equal to 3.14. So b is a float value. So here using this cast operator, we are explicitly converting this float to integer value. So here we will take 3 and that 3 will be stored in the variable y. So for type conversion, let us see this example. A equal to 5 and b equal to 2. C equal to a by b. So the value that the value will be 5.2, but here it is automatically converted to integer value. So only 2 will be stored in the variable c, since this c is an integer variable. So there are some inbuilt typecast functions that is available in C. For example, A2OF. A2F. A2F converts a string to float value. A2F means it takes a string and converts it to float value. A2I converts a string to integer value. A2L converts a string to long. I2A converts int to string, and L2A converts long to string. So these are the inbuilt typecast functions that is available in C language.